Okay, good morning, students. Now, under virtual lab experimentation for DC motor speed control category, we are just doing this second technique, that is armature resistance control. So, as we know that when we want to change the speed, so here we can connect one variable resistance in series with uh, armature, so that we can able to change the value of that resistance, and we can change the speed. So once the resistor has been increased, the current flow through the circuit is going to reduce, and automatically armature voltage will drop. So this way, this simple arrangement can be used, and we can control the speed of the motor. Now we will go through the simulation. Through these videos, just I'm demonstrating what exactly is to be performed under the experiment. I'm not discussing here any theoretical aspects of all these techniques. So that's why briefly I'm just mentioning the title of the experiment, and as per the instructions given, we are following the instructions and making the connections. Now through this, quickly I will do the connections. So already those are mentioned in the procedure. You can easily check them and just follow them. B2, A2, B2, F2, then F2E. So F2E, A2Z, this is A2Z, then G2H, G2H, I2F1, I2F1, C2A1, A1 to K, K to C. So these are the all connections the way they are mentioned. Then we'll check them. Wrong connections it is showing. So we have to reset all. Once if any connection is wrong, then we have to reset, and we have to make all the connections once again. Now one by one I will do carefully. R to L, B to D, then B to A2, then B to F2, F2E, A to Z, A to Z, G to H, I to F1, C to A1, A1 to K, and K to C. These are all the connections made. You can check here. So correct connections. Okay. Now MCB is turned on. Just see the instructions. So now second slider to get corresponding voltmeter and speedometer, and then click on the directly add to table. So there is no need to do any setting for this voltmeter, because already it is done, and there is no this slider from first slider already done, so there is no need to do any other thing. Now one by one, just you have to change the position of this second slider, and you have to make it add to table. Now this first reading I can make add to table. This first reading is here to 220 voltage and 1360 speed. So one by one, now here you can see, then add to table. Just observe change in the voltage. Voltage is dropping. Add to table. Speed is decreasing. So this way you can make it 4 readings. Then second slider it goes like this. Then here it is add to table. Then again here fifth reading add to table. You can observe the speed of the motor. Then again somewhere here add to table. This is seventh reading. You can observe the voltage, and then again we will have last reading and add to table. You can see here the speed. So this is the way you can have the last reading is 100 and 450. So this way now you can have the graph. This is the characteristics, and if we go for the print option, then this way there will be connection diagram. These are all readings, and this is the respective graph where we can see the speed versus voltage characteristics.